properties of acid. Okay, first is reaction of acid with metals.
Okay.
When acid react with metal, it forms salt and hydrogen gas evolved. So acid gives hydrogen gas along with respective salt when they react with a metal. Acid gives hydrogen gas along with salt when they react with a metal. Okay, let's take an example. When this acid HCl, hydrochloric acid, react with zinc metal, then salt will be formed, zinc chloride and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Got it? Let's take one more example. When sulfuric acid react with sodium metal, then sodium sulfate salt will be formed and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Hydrogen gas and sodium sulfate are formed when sulfuric acid react with sodium metal. Now, how we will test the presence of hydrogen gas? Okay, the gas evolved after reaction of acid with metals can be tested by bringing a lighted candle near it. Okay, when we bring the lighted candle near the test tube, if a gas burns with a pop sound, if this gas burns with a pop sound, it will produce pop sound, then it confirms the evolution of hydrogen gas. It will confirm the evolution of hydrogen gas, means hydrogen gas is evolving. Burning with pop sound is a characteristic test for hydrogen gas. Got it? Next is reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate means like sodium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, etc. Acid gives carbon dioxide gas and respective salt along with water when they react with metal carbonate. When acid react with metal carbonate, then salt form, carbon dioxide and water is produced. HCl gives carbon dioxide. Here you can see when HCl acid react with metal carbonate like sodium carbonate, what will be formed? Salt, sodium chloride salt form, carbon dioxide released and water will be produced. When any acid react with metal carbonate, then salt, carbon dioxide and water is produced. Same reaction here you can see, sulfuric acid react with calcium carbonate, then calcium sulfate is formed, calcium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. Similarly, when nitric acid react with sodium carbonate, then sodium, nitrate, carbon dioxide and water is formed. Now, reaction of acid with hydrogen carbonate. Metal carbonate, now hydrogen carbonate. Okay, sodium hydrogen metal hydrogen carbonate. Acid gives carbon dioxide, respective salt and water when they react with metal hydrogen carbonate. When acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate, salt, carbon dioxide and water is formed. Similarly, here you can see when sulfuric acid react with metal carbonate, hydrogen carbonate. In previous reaction there is reaction with metal carbonate. Now metal hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate react with sulfuric acid. Then sodium sulfate will be formed. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Sodium sulfate formed. Then carbon dioxide and water will be produced. Got it? Now, so when any acid react with hydrogen carbonate, then respective salt will be formed. Here sulfuric acid, so sodium sulfate will be formed, carbon dioxide and water will be produced. Now, how we will test the presence of carbon dioxide? In previous experiment, we will test the presence of hydrogen. How can we test the evolution of carbon dioxide? That carbon dioxide is get vaporized. Carbon dioxide gas turns lime water milky. Lime water means that calcium carbonate water. Carbon dioxide gas turns lime water milky when passed through it. This is the characteristic test for carbon dioxide gas. The gas evolved because of reaction of the acid with metal carbonate, turns lime water milky. For example, when calcium hydroxide react with calcium hydroxide is formed reacted with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate form. It is a milky substance. So the gas evolved because of the reaction of the acid with metal carbonate, terms lime water milky. This shows that gas is carbon dioxide. This happened because of the formation of white precipitate of calcium carbonate. So this milky milky substance is produced because of the precipitation of calcium carbonate. That's it.